exploring the world of cloud computing. Cloud computing has revolutionized the way we store, process, and access data and services in the digital age.
This comprehensive essay delves into the intricacies of cloud computing, providing a detailed analysis of its history, key concepts, architecture, deployment models, service models, benefits, challenges, and future trends. The discussion covers various aspects from the technical foundations to the economic and societal impacts of this transformative technology.
Introduction to cloud computing. Cloud computing is an innovative paradigm that enables users to access a vast array of resources, applications, and services over the internet.
This introductory section explains the fundamental concept of cloud computing, highlighting its core features like on-demand provisioning, resource pooling, elasticity, and broad network access.
Historical evolution. The historical evolution of cloud computing traces back to the origins of utility computing, grid computing, and the development of virtualization technologies.
The section examines the key milestones that led to the emergence of cloud computing as we know it today, discussing influential developments and major players in the field. Core concepts. In this section, we delve deeper into the core concepts underpinning cloud computing, including virtualization, multi-tenancy, scalability, and the separation of services from infrastructure. These concepts form the foundation of cloud computing's ability to deliver cost-effective and flexible solutions. Cloud architecture. The architectural framework of cloud computing is examined here, focusing on the different components that constitute a cloud infrastructure. Topics include data centers, servers, storage devices, networking equipment, virtualization technologies, and load balancers. The discussion also explores the role of hypervisors and containerization in orchestrating cloud resources. Deployment models. Cloud computing offers various deployment models that cater to diverse user requirements. This section elaborates on public, private, hybrid, and community cloud deployments.
Each model is analyzed in terms of security, scalability, privacy, and management, helping readers understand which model aligns best with specific organizational needs.
Service models. Cloud computing offers three primary service models: infrastructure as a service IaaS platform, as a service PaaS, and software as a service SaaS. This section provides an in-depth analysis of each service model, examining their features, benefits, and use cases. Benefits of cloud computing. The advantages of adopting cloud computing are numerous and impactful for individuals, businesses, and society at large.
This segment outlines the key benefits, such as cost savings, scalability, global accessibility, rapid deployment, and enhanced collaboration.
Challenges and concerns. Despite its benefits, cloud computing is not without challenges and concerns. This section addresses issues related to data security, privacy, compliance, vendor lock-in, and potential downtime.